Welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to get an API key from GitHub. First step, visit GitHub and log into your account. Then, click on your GitHub profile picture in the upper right corner and open Settings page. Next, scroll all the way down the menu on the left and click on the Developer Settings tab. Next, click on Personal Access Tokens. Then click Tokens Classic. Now, click the Generate New Token button and choose one of the options. Enter a name for your API key and set the expiration date. Then, you need to choose which permissions to grant to the app or service that will use your API key. I will allow all actions as an example. Finally, click the Generate Token button. Here you will see your GitHub API key. Also, don't forget to copy your API key, as you won't be able to see it again after leaving this page. I hope this step-by-step guide on how to get an API key from GitHub has been helpful. If so, you can subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a good day.